Alright, just a little bit on how to assemble this lens adapter. It comes with a big piece, this big print-in-place piece, and this little Nikon F stub. What you do is you super glue the F stub in there, in the bottom. And there's a notch here, a bump there, and a notch here. And there's a little arrow here. You want the arrow and the notch to be in the same place. Like that, arrow pointing to the notch. That's good. Then there are 8 little columns here that are like supports, and you can cut those out with your filament cutters if you have them. If you're using a X-Acto knife, make sure you don't cut yourself, but just cut those 8 columns out. When you've got those 8 columns out, see if it can move. It may need some breaking in and some whacking, perhaps with something heavier than this. Whack up around this top edge. And try and move it. And just keep trying. I'm gonna go get some screwdrivers and go in there and see if I can wedge it out. So I'll be back. Okay, I finally got this open. I took a big screwdriver and I just put it in there and bent it open until it cracked. You might not have to do such a big screwdriver. But anyway, this is what it does. It extends out, extends back. The next thing to do is put the microscope objective in it. This is a 4-plan objective from China that works really well. Links in the description. Put it straight on and screw it down in there. You might only want to do this once or twice. The threads wear out. They're real fine 3D printed threads, but when it's on your camera, it extends out or it can be extended back in. That's it.